Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a time limit for Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you're running time-sensitive surveys, quizzes, or registration forms and need them to automatically close at a specific deadline. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials to access your Google Forms account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple Google accounts, as this will ensure you're working with the right forms. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or recently worked on. Browse through this list and click on the form where you want to set a time limit. This will open up the form in edit mode, allowing you to make changes and configure settings. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a Publish button located there. Click on this button to access the publishing and timing options for your form. This is where Google allows you to control when and how your form accepts responses, giving you flexibility over your data collection process. Once you click Publish, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Set Close Date or Response Limit. This feature is what enables you to automatically stop accepting responses at a predetermined time, which is perfect for maintaining control over your form's availability without having to manually close it later. After selecting this option, you'll see another prompt asking you to choose your closing parameters. Click on Choose Date and Time to specify exactly when you want your form to stop accepting responses. This step is crucial because it defines the exact moment your form will become inactive. A calendar interface will appear on your screen. Browse through the calendar and select your preferred date when you want the form to close. Make sure you choose a date that aligns with your project timeline or deadline requirements. Next, you'll need to set the specific time. Click on the time field, which will open up a drop-down menu showing various time options throughout the day. You can either scroll through and select your preferred time from the drop-down, or you can manually type the time directly into the field for more precision. This flexibility ensures you can set an exact closing time down to the minute. Once you've selected both your date and time, click the Save button to confirm your settings. Your form will now automatically close at the specified date and time, preventing any new submissions after that point. And there you have it. You've successfully set a time limit for your Google form, ensuring it closes automatically when you need it to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.